Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Bam and White Chill, and here for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make another balloon bouquet. It's for Valentine's balloon bouquet. Okay guys, so we will start off with the base, this red. These are 9 inches, so we will inflate this, and using my sizer, we will inflate it to 7 inches. There. And I also have another shade of red, and this time is 12 inches. We also need 4 of this. I will inflate this to 8 inches. This is gonna be our very base, the very bottom of our bouquet. Okay guys, so I inflated 4 of this 9 inches red. 4 of this, and also 4 of our 12 inches red balloon. So again, the red balloon 12 inches I inflated to 8, and the 9 inches balloon I inflated it to 7 inches. Okay, so we'll start off with the base, the other balloons. So just tie them together like that. So this is the bottom, so it's very a little bigger from the other red. The same thing, just like the basic. If you're new, this is very easy to follow. Okay, just like that, and then you use your balloon weight. Okay, we'll attach this here. Grab one of your balloon here, the tip of your balloon, or one of the end. Just tie it. This will be the bottom, and then your other red. Just grab one of the end here. I don't know if you can see, and one of your other balloon. And there goes your base. Okay, so we also need 4 of our 5 inches white balloon, and this will hold our heart balloon. I will inflate this to about 3 inches. I will use this 260Q white scrap. So I'll put this here. That will hold your balloon right here. Okay, so now we'll put it in here. Okay, so guys, I inflated this earlier and I have red and white. So what I did is connect them, the 260Q that I tied with, I connect them here, and I also added some tape at the back. So now we will put this here and we will use some tape or balloon glue dots to attach it with, and this one is on the other side. Just like that. So this is our 5 inches balloon. We will inflate this. This is gonna be in front, and I will inflate this to 3 inches with our balloon sizer here. So just like what we've been doing, we pinch it right here. Twist, making sure that they're about the same size. Same thing with the other balloon. Twist it. Now that there's two, you attach that. And there's our cluster balloon, so we can put this in front of our red balloon. And then just like I showed you in the video, I made this earlier, and we will put this here. And with our tiny balloons, what's the size of this? Is 4 inches. So I inflated this earlier as well, and we will just connect it here. That, and then we'll put it here somewhere. Again, using our balloon glue dots. Okay, so we'll add another balloon here. Put it here. Okay guys, it's all done, and here's your balloon bouquet for your Valentines. You can give this to your loved ones, and I hope you guys like this and watch for our next video. Thank you guys for watching.